So we went out into Manchester and found historic buildings, and then we kind of did some research, like background research for it, and then we made 3D models for it, and then we also made like a little movie like explaining what the building was.
The Bat and Kill Inn was very popular in the 50s and 60s. It was called the Bat and Kill Tavern. It was important to the town because it was a good place to stay if you were traveling on the train.
So we showed up at the house, and first we interviewed her, and she had some things that we could take pictures of for the video, and then she actually let us measure the house using like sticks that were 4 feet.
I'm hoping the community will see that we still value local history, that the kids are out there still learning these things. They're not just on the technology and focused on the here and now.
I remember being, I remember as a student myself, being incredibly fascinated with this when we were talking about it. Mm-hmm. We learned about the ancient Egyptians, we learned about ancient Greece, we learned about Europe, we learned about, the greater U.S., Civil War, American Revolution, industrial. But we never talked about local history.
The thing about involving the community more is there's not very many people who know about the individual buildings back then, because a lot of them are new to Manchester too.
Like I look at some of the buildings like differently now because I know like their history behind it.
I think I'd still like to learn more about it, like some of the buildings.
I definitely gained a lot of knowledge, and by watching other people's videos too, you learn a lot about different parts, not just about your own.
I'd be interested in more of the history of Manchester.